we're always trying to look for the next new thing to automate. It was a few years ago when we knew that API was the only way to go. It was just a little cumbersome trying to figure out how to map all these ways to get into everything, but it was a must do. So when I was able to connect with Jet McCandless and P44, and they're able to connect me with everybody and continue to give us more and more access via API, it was a very easy decision to make for us. It was the only path. So I got involved with Project 44 when I was looking for ways to strengthen my IT team, to get them on projects that were a little bit more customized, specific to Bluegrace. Project 44 took a big workload off of us, and that's why I engaged them. Ever since we've been able to get everything done that we've talked about, and then some. This year at Bluegrace, we have several technology projects. When I say several, I mean dozens and dozens. It goes from everything from platform billing to business analytics to predictives to internal systems. The list is endless. Again, anyone that can take some of that workload off of us and allow us to get more bandwidth and more velocity with our existing IT team is a massive asset for us. It's popular to say what's outdated is the technology of EDI, but it's because it's true. It really is kind of silly at this point. It's a dying form of technology that doesn't serve any more purpose as soon as we can replace it with the API.